Hello everyone, welcome to Exambee. So today we are going to discuss about NICL AOIT exam pattern and the syllabus. As you all know, the official notification for NICL AOIT was released on June 10 and the online registration is starting from the June 12 and the last date for apply for this exam is July 3rd. The total number of vacancies released by NICL are 266, in which 170 vacancies are released for generalist and other vacancies are for specialist post. In specialist post, there are many streams. For IT, they have released 20 vacancies. So you can mark your calendar with prelims dates. The prelims will be conducted on July 20 and the mains exam will be conducted on August 31st. So these are the tentative days, but you can start your preparation now. You have almost 35 days to prepare for prelims and almost 72 days to prepare for mains exam. So the exam pattern for NICL AOIT, the prelims exam will have 3 sections: English, Reasoning and Quant, with 30 number of questions and 30 marks for each section. Like you will have 30 questions in English, 30 questions in Reasoning and 30 questions for Quant. And the time allotted is 20 minutes for each section. So the total of 100 questions will be there with 100 marks and 1 hour will be there. Now let's talk about the mains. The mains will be have in 2 parts. First is objective and second is descriptive. So in objective paper there will be 6 sections, in which reasoning will have 40 questions of 40 marks with 35 minutes time allotted, and English will have 40 questions of 40 marks with 30 minutes of time allotted. GA will have 40 questions of 40 marks in 20 minutes. Computer knowledge will have 40 questions and 40 marks in 25 minutes. Then Quant will have 40 questions of 40 marks in 35 minutes. And the specialized stream, like you are applying for IT, then you will have 50 questions of 50 marks and time will be allotted is 35 minutes. The total number of questions will be 250 and the maximum marks for this exam is 250. The descriptive paper will have 10 marks of essay, 10 marks of précis and 10 marks for comprehensive. It means the total marks for descriptive paper will be 30 marks and time will be allotted is 30 minutes. And there will be a provision for negative marking, that 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. So the final selection will be contributing. Mains will be of 80% and interview will be of 20% of weightage for final selection. Now let's talk about the syllabus. These are the important topics that you can prepare for this exam. Like in English, you can prepare RC, parasymbols, para completion, vocabulary, error spotting, sentence correction, close test, rearrangement and match columns. In reasoning, you can focus on ranking, coding, decoding, code inequality, direction and distance, CELOCs, input output, coded blood relationship, puzzle, seating arrangement, analytical reasoning and data sufficiency. For general awareness, you can focus on current affairs. At least 6 months of current affair will be required, and majorly focus on economic, banking, finance, insurance related news, and the news related to RBI, IRDA, SEBI, and the news about NICL, type of insurance and financial capital marketing. These will be your general awareness syllabus. And now let's talk about the Quant. The DI is important, like you can prepare for bar graph, table, DI, caslets. Other than this, you can prepare for percentage, profit and loss, ratio proportion, average, time and speed, train, boat and stream, quadratic equation, number series, probability, and basics of algebra. And if you are talking about computer awareness, so see there are 2 sections. This is basic computer awareness, and professional knowledge syllabus will be different from this. This is the basics of computers, like you need to study history of computers, part of computers, input output devices, operating system, MS Office, logic gates, DBMS, hacking and keyboard shortcuts. So this is all about the other syllabus. Now let's talk about the professional knowledge. So based on the previous year paper, these are the important subject for professional knowledge. Like in DBMS and SQL, you need to focus on joins, normalization, indexing, keys, and query optimization. In networking, you need to focus on OSI, TCP/IP model, IP addressing, protocol, DNS, and firewall. In operating system, you need to focus on scheduling algorithms, memory management, deadlocks, and process synchronization. And if you are talking about the programming, then you need to focus on Java, Python, and C++. Like basic concept for these languages need to be clear, like concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, abstractions, how we apply these concepts in Java, Python and C++. In cybersecurity, need to focus on encryption, decryption techniques, cryptographic techniques, algorithms of cybersecurity and authentication mechanism, The next is data structure and algorithm. You need to focus on linear and non-linear data structures like array, linked list, trees, sorting, searching algorithms, and software engineering plays an important role for these exams. Apart from these exams, these are based on previous year paper. You can focus on emerging technologies like big data analytics and data warehouse, data mining, machine learning, AI. These are the subjects to be focused on. We can expect questions from these. So this is all about this syllabus, which is based on the previous year paper analysis. And see, time is very less to prepare for this exam, so start preparing now. If you want to start your preparation journey with us, then iExample is also providing the course for NICL AOIT, in which you will get video lessons, study notes, practice test, live session and interview guidance. The intro class will be starting from 24th June. So you can enroll now. And if you have any query, you can write in the comment box. We'll try to answer it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Prepare 50% faster with iExample.